Hello all, this is Nikum and welcome to latest government job updates in English. So one vacancies are available at SPMCL, which is your mini Ratna company. So very good opportunity you are getting here. Position is supervisor. Salary will be 4.2 lakh CTC. Okay. Total vacancies are 3. If you complete your diploma, BTech after diploma, not on 12th, and BSc, then you can apply. Okay. Branches are electrical, electronics communication, telecommunication, electronics, mechanical, chemical. Now we will see detailed information. So let's start our video. So first, as always, important points. So 60% aggregate should be there in your diploma and your BSc. Okay, BTech obviously it is secondary qualification, but primary is diploma. So that's why 60% required in diploma. Probation period will be 1 year. Then process will be as it is direct recruitment. So only they will conduct your CBT, and based on CBT, they will definitely merit list will be there. And then after DV and medical, they will give you position. Posting and exam center. So posting initially will be in Madhya Pradesh, and after if there is any requirement in all over India, definitely they will get post you anywhere in India. Okay, first initially you will post it in Madhya Pradesh. Exam center list is given, no need to worry. Bond will be of 3 years. Okay, and if you leave SPMCL within 3 years, then you need to pay 2 lakh rupees. Very important. So compulsory for 3 years you need to work here. Exam centers list you can see in front of you. So if your city is there, then definitely you can apply. Otherwise you can check nearby city, or if you are just comfortable in traveling, so you can travel also. Okay, no need to worry. Cut-off date of age limit is 1st of January 2022. General EWS 30, OBC 33, SSC 35, PWD General 43, SST 45. Important days, form will start on 16th of February. So definitely form filling video will be there for you. No need to worry. It will end on 11th of March. Tentative exam date is April or May. Okay, obviously this exam is conducted by IBPS, so it will definitely they will conduct your exam soon. You can expect maximum April 3rd week or May 1st week. Okay, and before than this, if I get any information, then definitely I will share you in the strategy video. No need to worry. Fees will be 600 rupees for general, OBC, EWS, SST 200, PWD exception 200. Post name is supervisor. As you know, we can see now breakdown of vacancies. So you are one, OBC 1 and ST 1. So for EWS and SC, no vacancies. So you need to apply in your category. Okay. And qualification, all qualification will apply to supervisor post. Now we will discuss about your exam pattern. So what you need to study. First aptitude is there, quant. Okay. Now you will get 25 questions. Then general awareness 25 questions. English 25. Technical will be there, depend on your branch. That is your electrical, electronics, mechanical, chemical. Okay. Total 50 questions. And reasoning will be there 25. So total questions are 150. You will get 2 hours. Total marks are 200. There is no negative marking. Biggest advantage. Okay. So why this is 200 marks, because for technical it is 100 marks. Okay, so 125 each, like this. Language will be English and Hindi. Definitely sectional cutoff is not there, but sectional timing is there. Okay, as paper will be conducted by IBPS, so definitely you can expect that. And for quant you will get 20 minutes. This is 20 minutes. English 20 minutes. Reasoning 20 minutes. And for technical you will get 40 minutes. Sectional timing. Okay, so detailed information I will share you, that how you can prepare and crack this mini Ratna in our strategy video, and before that you will get form filling video. So definitely just wait for that and just your start preparation. Okay, if you have any query, any doubt regarding the recruitment, regarding the notification, then you can comment down below. If you want to ask me anything personally, then you can DM me on Instagram. All the best.